So it's like with the FDA said for the relapsed refractory population, a phase 3 wouldn't be needed, but a confirmatory phase 3 should be run in the first line high risk MDS population. And that study plan we're going to go over with the MHRA and get their input on it as well.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Faron Pharmaceuticals CEO, Dr. Juho Jalkanen. Juho, very good to speak with you. You've announced that you've been given fast track status for bexmarilimab in the UK, so a significant development for your cancer immunotherapy.
Yes, totally. No, it's great that the MHRA saw it exactly the same way as did the FDA. So it's looking very good.
At the same time, they've also said that the BEXMAB study can proceed in the UK, so really the green light to get going on it here.
Yes, and as you may know, UK is like a second home for us. We've always felt, very strong about having this also available for UK patients since it's looking so good that there may be something we could provide for those relapsed refractory MDS patients. So finally, there's I would say, can't promote too much, but a good trial now ongoing in the UK for these patients as well, which is amazing.
Juho, tell us more about the innovation passport and what it actually allows for you to proceed with.
So as you mentioned, it's like a fast track designation. So we get regulatory support. We can have rolling submissions, more interaction with the MHRA, possibly early access to the drug also before full approval. So a lot of good stuff actually, and for the patients especially.
Tell us a little bit more about the program and what the next steps are then, given you have this new fast track designation.
Well, next we're actually going to talk with the MHRA about the phase 3 study plan. So that's up next with the MHRA under this program.
And what is that phase 3 study plan? What does it entail, Juho?
So it's like with the FDA said for the relapsed refractory population, a phase 3 wouldn't be needed, but a confirmatory phase 3 should be run in the first line high risk MDS population. And that study plan we're going to go over with the MHRA and get their input on it as well. Because we're going to be, planning a global phase 3. It's good that it would, suit and be basically pre-approved by all major regulatory authorities.
So you will be conducting the phase 3 in more than one geography in that case.
Yes, yes, it's a truly global study.
Okay. Well, I hope you'll keep us posted on any additional progress. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
My pleasure. All the best.
And to you, that's Dr. Juho Jalkanen, the CEO of Faron Pharmaceuticals.